Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an electrifying topic in the world of technology: the battle between lithium-ion and sodium-ion batteries. This is especially crucial as we move towards a more sustainable future with electric vehicles. So, let's get charged up and explore why sodium might be driving the future of EVs. Don't forget, if you love staying ahead in tech, hit that subscribe button. First, let's talk about lithium-ion batteries. These are the powerhouse behind today's tech, from smartphones to electric vehicles. They're popular for their high energy density, which means they can store a lot of energy in a small space. However, they're not without drawbacks. Lithium is relatively rare and expensive, and mining it raises environmental concerns. Shifting our focus to sodium-ion batteries, let's dive into what sets them apart. Sodium stands out for its abundance, ranking as the sixth most common element on our planet. This abundance translates to a manufacturing process that's not only less complex but also kinder to the environment. These aspects are turning heads in the tech world, as sodium-ion batteries offer performance that rivals lithium-ion, but at a more wallet-friendly cost. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The trade-off here is in their energy density. Sodium-ion batteries are currently playing catch-up, meaning they need to be bulkier to hold the same amount of energy as their lithium-ion counterparts. When comparing the two, lithium-ion batteries are currently superior in energy density and charge times. However, sodium-ion batteries are catching up. They're showing improvements in lifespan and operate better at lower temperatures, which is a big plus for many regions. Cost will likely be a key factor in this battle, as lithium-ion batteries currently costs around $139 per kilowatt-hour, whereas sodium-ion is only $80 per kilowatt-hour. The big question is, how will this impact electric vehicles? Right now, EVs mostly use lithium-ion batteries. But with the advancements in sodium-ion technology, and considering the cost and environmental factors, we might see a shift. Yuway, a new EV brand in China backed by Volkswagen, has recently started producing sodium-ion battery cars. Deliveries are expected to start in early 2024. This could make electric vehicles more accessible and sustainable. To sum it up, while lithium-ion batteries are the current champions in the EV world, sodium-ion batteries are showing promising potential. As technology advances, sodium-ion could offer a more sustainable and cost-effective alternative. It's an exciting time in the battery industry, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.